What is good? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trey Lord himself, come to you live. And guess what? We at video 11. Let's get it. Video 11, market overview. Um, right now, I'm currently in a trade, CHF JPY, right? Let's look into that right quick. Put into my Sway Charts account. Let's get into it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Boom. Right now, currently, let me take this out. Let's go to uh, there we go. That's the position right there. It's the trade. Basically risking $100 to make $200 on this trade. Currently, that's where we at right now. And literally, we enter right here. We enter. Now it's in drawdown, and that's why it's we at negative $40 about. And it's cool, man. It's cool. You gotta be calm, cool, and collected about that. I'm already the the risk. The moment I push the trade, this is something. This is top secret, holy grail shit right here for trading. Right? Get a load of this. How I take a trade, right? I already see that money already gone from the account. Regardless if I win or lose, I could see. At the moment I push that button, I consider that money gone. And that's how I deal with my losses. Like I don't get emotionally detached when I see this thing lose. So yeah, we're in negative $40 or now $32 right now, right? Great. We're letting the trade play out. We're trusting our strategy and our edge, right? And if it comes down, it's invalid, man. It's all good. On to the next trade. But if it goes up, we out with $200. And if it goes down, we out with $100. Boo hoo. Remember, this account is at $6,155 right now. So if we lose that much money, it's $100. All right, we're still up like $55 is what it is. It is what it is. But let's see how that goes. NZD CAD, right? Still waiting for a 1 hour break of structure. We're currently in this 4 hour structure. So as long as we don't break structure, we should be good to go. So, and we didn't break structure. It just came close to breaking structure, came right back up. And this thing might look to break structure soon or do a continuation down. And if it does a good continuation down, it's not break the 4 hour structure, obviously. Let's see here. Hold on. All right, so we had this low. That low is 963. This low is 962. Yeah, this is the new break. This is the new continuation point, and we've been broke structure here. Boom. Been broke structure. But we're chilling out on this pattern. So let's see what this thing is all about by just marking it up for fun. So let me remove this. Basically, we broke structure there. Keeping an eye on it. Point A. And here I'm marking it up with this candle. I'm just expanding it. Boom. This candle right here. We didn't surpass this level. What's this high? High 159, 158. Nope. So we didn't surpass and it hit the 23 first. So yeah, this is the rightfully so. This is the trade. Mm-mm-mm. And that's the setup right there that we're not taking. We're just observe, watch from the sidelines, wait for this thing to do. You know what this thing's going to do, right? And that will give us home court advantage on the next setup. But we know we must wait. We must wait, my son. We must wait. We must wait, young Padawan. All right. So yeah, we didn't hit that 20. Yeah, we didn't hit that 70, 28, 20. Excuse me, that 0.27. We did not hit that yet. It's coming right back down. But every time I see something like that, if it goes back up again, it's gonna go whoop. It's gonna be gone. So that's the setup right there. But we're chilling on that, not taking that trade. This thing, okay, we got stopped out there. Okay, and this didn't tag us in, and I already deleted the order. How do I get to the history? Still learning this shit. Let's do order history. Yeah, over here. Order history. Here it is. Euro USD. We canceled it. See, it says cancel right there. Yeah, we canceled that. That basically stopped out during the day. I get that signal at work or something like that. And I'm like, oh, cut it. So we cut that trade, and that is what it is. Now just catch it to the market really quick. Which is all caught up right now because this is the new low down here. This one. Why is it a new low? Education time. Right? This is the new low. Last two candle formation that is, bullish. This is by itself. And these two are together. This is the breaker structure point. And that's what's going on right now. Right? That is exactly what's going on right now. And now we're still in this fib. We didn't break structure yet. And we're chilling. Just waiting for this thing to do what it's done do. And of course, I can go on my daily and put that's the low. Expand the daily, make sure there's no new two candle formation here. And there isn't. This is the same two candle formation. So it goes to the 4 hour. And 4 hour, just gotta take that and put it on here. Boom. And then no two candle formation here. Still the same. So that's the same breaker structure point. So we're still like that. We're still down structure. Overall down structure on the monthly, down structure on the weekly, and down structure on the daily, and down structure on the 4 hour. So all we're waiting for is this thing to either decide to break structure up, right? And then we just gotta wait for a break of structure down to the downside because that's overall what the whole higher time frame is doing, right? We're going down. So if it breaks structure up, we just got to break for a break structure down. But if it does a continuation, okay, we'll take the next setup. Oh, my thing is about to die. Charge it up. The next setup, right? So that's euro. Same thing here. Still in this Well, I'm in the demo trades on this one. This is like a whole different, strategy I'm testing out. And yeah, it's in drawdown right now. But we're waiting for a 4 hour breaker structure. And then we can continue on with the storyline here. USD, AUD USD, 4 hour. This is the low. This is the last two confirmation, and that is still the high. So we're still in this fib. Still on the fib, and we're waiting for that 4 hour to break structure. If it doesn't, we're not chilling on the. We're not basically chilling on the fucking 1 hour. And this thing, we broke structure on the 4 hour, right? And we did that pullback and did this thing there. Now currently still waiting here. Are we actually uh orders? Okay, GBP USD is still there. Yeah. Okay, bet. Bet. So yeah, this thing we just chill. Wait for this thing to do what it's do. Oh, we got a continuation here on the 4 hour. Not only a continuation, but we also got a breaker structure on the daily. No. Daily's still down structure. This is the low. But we got basically this is new continuation zone. Like that's breaker structure. We're still down structure on the daily. So that being said, we just did a continuation down. And we're looking to go down. This fib is deleted. Let's go to the daily first. Last two confirmation. After this low on the daily. Should know this by now. This is the new low. Why is it the new low? Because it took out that low. Last two confirmation. Not here. We have a yellow candle in between. So these two candles are by themselves. And then this candle is by itself. This candle's by itself. This candle by itself. Two candles together. What's to the right is the highest point. These two. Nothing to the left. Right. So that's the breaker structure. That's it. Easy peasy, man. You understand that, man. You conquer the game. Conquer the game. Okay, 4 hour. Here are we at right now. So this is the new low on the 4 hour. Last two confirmation was here. And this is to the right. It's the highest point. So that means this breaker structure point gets lowered all the way down here. And now that is the new breaker structure point. If you want to line up, 324 was the high. So 324 here, and boom, we're all aligned. So that's 4 hour structure right there. And I'm chilling out. But it did continuation. And know what that means. With continuations. Where's the candle? This one right here. This is the candle. Continuations, you can be on the 1 hour and start looking for action. So we had this, irrelevant, and then we finally have this. We finally touch. Okay, I need these out the way a little bit. Remember, I'm skipping this trade. I'm just marking it up because that's how we do. That is how we do. Chances of this breaking structure very high, but when the 4 hour and the 1 hour are aligned structure wise, that only says one thing. It's about the break structure. I'd be surprised. Ba, ba, ba. Six. And when I do mean aligned, with the 4 hour and the 1 hour, I mean exactly the same breaker structure points, right? Because you can see here on the 4 hour, we got point A, point B, point C, right? And on the 1 hour, we got point A, point B, point C, right? So that is entwined. And this is exactly what's going on right now. So we're chilling on this pair. See what we get. But no action here. These are self-explained. Still waiting. Okay. Well, look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin just did a continuation, a 4 hour continuation, right? It came up the year, but we didn't surpass this high, which is to break a structure, right? So if anything between here, we're looking to go down, and that's exactly what happened there. You did that. This became the new low, right? Last two candle formation was here. And what's the highest point to the right? Highest point to the right is here. So now this is the new breaker structure point on the 4 hour. All right. And you're still waiting for that 4 hour breaker structure. So in this case, that'll put you on game a little bit. I would take this right here on the 4 hour, point A, point B. And the moment it hits the 50% level, I'll say you take this trade like this, point A, a little bit down there, and then you just point at the breaker structure point, which is 260. Boom. $939 right there. Risking $1,000, right? But that's how I would move on this thing right here. So literally is at the 38.2. Have a buy stop order there. Wow. I'm not taking in that on this account. That's Bitcoin. Don't really trade Bitcoin. I stick to my Forex pairs on this account. And that's what I'll do. So we're back here. And guess what? We're still in that drawdown. And it is what it is. We'll see what we get on video 12. Hopefully. If we're still in the trade, then we're still in the trade. But you'll see. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Deuces.